Both ginger and garlic are known for their natural antibacterial characteristics and their ability to relieve congestion, soften aching muscles, and can soothe a sore throat. Garlic is considered an antibiotic and is often recommended for treating flu and cold. Ginger can be helpful in digestion by controlling high sugar level, and it can also help reduce arthritis pain. So guys, in this video I'll be showing us 2 convenient ways in which you can prepare your ginger tea at home. So I'll go ahead and peel the skin of my ginger and garlic. Guys, I have a lot to talk about the health benefit of ginger and garlic, but time won't permit me a whole lot. Another good thing is that ginger and garlic can be added to your meals so you can cook with it. Do you also know that prostate cancer, bladder cancer, breast cancer, stomach cancer, and colon cancer have all been shown to have their tumors decrease after being treated with garlic and ginger? You see, garlic and ginger is a whole lot healthy. So I'm done. I'll just go on to grate it with my grater. So I'm done grating the ginger and garlic. I'll be mixing it properly with my fork. Once I'm done mixing, I'll divide it into 2 portions. So what I'll be doing next is to add a glass of water into the portion in the pot. Then stir to combine and then put it on fire to cook for like 5 minutes. So I've placed it on fire. I'll just go ahead and continue with the second method. Now I'll transfer the ginger and garlic into this coffee maker. Now if you don't have a coffee maker, I'll show you another method. What I did next was to boil water and pour into the garlic and ginger mix, then cover it to brew for a few minutes. Now, if you don't have a coffee maker, you can as well use your cup. Just get a teacup, pour in your ginger and garlic, add in your hot boiled water, and then cover. After boiling for 5 minutes, our first method is ready. So we just bring it down and sieve out the juice. Once you're done sieving, your tea is ready. So my own tea is ready. I'll just go and transfer it into my cup and enjoy. You can add lemon juice to it and also honey. Also, this is also ready. I'll go on and then transfer into my cup and then add in my honey and enjoy. So guys, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do subscribe and also turn on the notification bell to get notified each time I upload new video. Please subscribe. Bye.